Welcome to this crash course on Git. In this course, you will be learning how to create a repository with Git. You're going to learn how to get started with Git, and I'll be walking you through this entire process from start to finish on how to create and contribute to a repository. You will learn what a repository is. You will learn how to make changes to files, add new files, and how to see the differences between files. And then I'm going to teach you how to take all of your work and how to send it to GitHub. You will also learn a bunch of terminology like cloning, staging, committing, repositories, and pushing. Whatever these words mean, you'll know by the end of this course. And lastly, we're going to learn how to do all of this through the command line because one day you will be on a server deploying your code, whether that's front-end code, some CSS, some JavaScript, or back-end code, whether that's PHP or Python. And you're going to need to know how to use Git on the command line because when you're on a server, there is no graphic user interface. It is all command line. Now, why should you learn Git? Why is right now the best time for you to learn Git? Well, right now is the best time for you to learn Git because every employer and every developer that you'll be working with is currently using Git. It is an extremely valuable skill to have. And while we will be using GitHub as the demonstration in this course, that doesn't limit you. You can use Bitbucket, GitLab, or several other Git services. They all work the exact same way. The commands you'll be learning are all the exact same. I'm Caleb Talley. I'll be your instructor throughout this course. And when you are ready, step inside and we will learn Git together.